Buenos dias, señoras y señoras. Today I'm gonna tell you exactly how I managed to organize my time with a ton of crap on my plate. I am a student, I run a business, I run a YouTube channel, I run a side hustle, a non-profit organization, go to the gym, I hang out with my friends and manage to still do all the journaling, meditating and other crap the self-help gurus tell you need to do, because you need to, right? This situation is not one I'd recommend you get in, okay? I'd much rather focus on one thing and just do it really well, but that's still not the situation I'm in. The situation I'm in forces me to be great at organizing my time because I'm just all over the place. This is exactly how you organize your time using the CPA method so that you can do everything that you need to. Imagine you are out and about on a walk. You're just enjoying the sun, having a great day, clearing your mind, and suddenly you remember that you were supposed to send out an email 3 hours ago, or call a client, or ship an order, or really whatever. Now your walk is just ruined. You're thinking about the thing that you didn't do or that you need to do, and there is really a simple solution, and that's what C stands for: capture. Whenever you think of a task that you need to do, or an event that you're scheduling, or a deadline, just write it down, either in your reminders or pen and paper. I use Apple Reminders because I can do this. Hey Siri, remind me to buy bread. Boom, there you go, done. And I can do it on the spot wherever I go all the time, and I never have to worry about things that I need to do. So whenever whenever a task pops out, just write it down, unless it takes less than 2 minutes. Then do it immediately because it's worth getting over with for the sake of your mental clarity. Now, the second part, P. P is for planning. As you know what you need to do, you need to do it, or at least decide when you're gonna do it. So every evening, just open up your list of tasks that you need to do and pick the most important one, the one that will lead you to your goals the most, or one that's super urgent, or whatever, and schedule it out in your day. Look at your schedule, maybe you have a meeting or a class or something, and also think about what task could you fit in between your current events. That will really help you get the most done in the short amount of time that you have during your day. The third part of the CPA method is A for adjust. Listen, this is probably the most important thing. We are not robots, nor should we be, and I need to be ready at a moment's notice when a friend pulls up in the newest Mustang Mach-E and wants to take me for a spin. Hell yeah, I'm gonna drop everything and go out, spend some time with him. And that's a really crucial point. It is a double-edged sword because you might kind of procrastinate because I can just move things around a little, but if you use that correctly, you will really be able to not only get everything done, but also live your life. And that's super important because life is the most beautiful in the spontaneous adventures. You do want to not negotiate certain things, but if a thing pops up, a task takes too long, you just need to adjust. Be flexible. It's as simple as that. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next 2 Minute Tuesday. Bye bye.